And here we are with our fifth and final video from the Dorflinger Factory Museum here in White Mills, Pennsylvania. I'm Franz Hellwig, and we're doing the Brilliant Weekend show and symposium. And anything you see and would like either to purchase or have a question or would like enlargeable photos, please email me. And we'll begin with our final video. Here we have a magnificent 24-inch tall, sort of corset-shaped vase, cut from top to bottom. I want to attribute this to O'Connor out of Hawley, Pennsylvania. It's 24 3/4 inches tall. It's almost 8 inches diameter at the top. Cutting is excellent, very detailed, very deep, hand polished. Weighs 17 pounds. A wonderful piece of glass. It is $6,500. Here's a one-part punch bowl. It is 13 inches in diameter. It's in one of Dorflinger's best patterns, Essex. Great blank, very well cut, deep miters. It's $22.95. I'll do a show special of only $14.95. It's another great big punch bowl, 14.5 inches in diameter. It's in the Princess pattern by John O'Connor. Again, another local piece. Great quality blank, probably by Dorflinger. It's $14.95. And I'll do another show special of $1,100. Always desirable, the Libby demonstration plates. Has the 4 stages of cutting, has the grease pencil outline, then the rough cut, then the smoothing, and then the final product with the Libby engraved or cut in the center. It's about 6.5 inches in diameter, and it's $34.95. This is only the second one I've ever found in 30 years. Have these trophy colognes. I have 2 of these in my personal collection, plus the laydown cologne that matches it. These are yellow cut to cranberry, deeply studded, quite amazing. Some of my favorite things in cut glass. You can see the stopper where it shows the blowing of the 2 colors together. These are really amazing. Again, one of my favorite things in cut glass. I have 2. Jane Spillman attributed these to Mount Washington in their 3-cut octagon, and they are $18.05 each. Just recently acquired this. It's a 17-inch tall trumpet vase in Alhambra. Has great teeth, top and bottom. A lot of times the feet have been recut into the pattern, but that's not the case here. This one's in excellent condition and a true rarity with the height, and it is $7,500. Here's a really nice, another local piece, Kelly and Steinman. It's a footed vase, scalloped hobstar foot, great hobstar and cane cutting, very brilliant, excellent quality, and it's only $8.95. Here's a first time that I've ever seen this set. It's the Brilliant pattern by Dorflinger ice cream set. Has 10 plates, very heavy, thick blank tray in their classic blank, and it is $24.95. It's an 18-inch tall vase in Elfrida by Dorflinger, shown in the Feller book. Nice quality glass, great cutting, and it's $24.95. Another one of my favorites is this flaring bowl in Marlboro. It's an deep emerald green cut to clear piece. Great example of Dorflinger's most sold pattern. Wonderful color, excellent polish and mint condition, and it is $7,500. Great 1/1 pattern, tab handled sandwich tray by Hawks, shown in, I think, the Discriminating book by Pearson. Signed clearly in the center. Fluted gallery. It's 12.5 inches wide at the handles, and it's 9,500. Really nice example of panel. Excuse me. Another local piece is Marlboro pattern pitcher, kind of a corset shape. Fabulous thick pattern cut handle, shown on page 32, exactly in the line drawings catalog, and it's only $3.75. Another 1-1 pattern is the Snowflake and Holly Square Bowl by Sinclair. It is shown on pattern shown on page 214 of the Rarities book. Wonderful engraving, great geometrics, and it's on $18.95. Libby advertising plate. These were shown in the jewelers' showrooms to tout Libby cut glass. It's marked, this trademark cut on every piece, and Libby in the center. It's 8.5 inches diameter, and it's $32.95. Another piece out of my personal collection is this 9 5/8 inch diameter Aztec pattern plate. It's probably one of the highest rated and most desirable 1-1 patterns out there. Stunning blank, cutting is like diamonds. It's just an amazing piece. The only reason I'm parting with it is because I got a larger one, and it is 11.5, but that's a stellar example that I've enjoyed for many years. Really nice green cut to clear bowl. Beautiful color, great brilliant blank, large size, I think it's 10 inches. I think Strauss did this. Strauss or Bergen would be my other guess, but it's definitely American, and it's only $16.95. Here's a smaller version of the Alhambra trumpet vase. Again, pattern cut, dentil edge foot, great teeth, no issues with it. It's $18.95. Another piece of rose diamond. It's a 9.25 inch diameter bowl. Superb blank, amazing cutting, great jeweled centers. This is not the one that I had at convention. I sold that one. This is from another collection, and it is $7,500. Rare Dorflinger pattern on this celery is Windsor. It's 12.5 inches long, heavy blank, really nicely cut. It's $8.95. I'll do a show special of $5.95. It's a two-part punch bowl. It's 12 inches in diameter. It's the star pattern by Fry. Really nice looking piece. Cane and hop stars dominate the motifs. Has the low slung base that makes it very distinctive in display. And it is $14.95. I'll do a show special on it for $900. Over here we have some examples of Ray Laternos, who was a well-known local engraver here in White Mills. Karen Parker did a talk on Ray's work at the Corning Brilliant Weekend. So here's an engraved picture. It's kind of a, I want to say palm leaf, but I don't know that that's correct. And it's 10 inches tall, and it's only $145. Here's a really cute butterfly engraved small picture. I'm trying to remember if this was signed or not. Yes, this was signed by Ray. It's only $95. And here's a larger butterfly picture. It's 7 inches tall. It is also signed by Ray, and it is $145. Another Kelly and Steinman piece is this Raleigh two-part punch bowl, 10 inches in diameter. There is one tooth chipped, and as such, it's only $4.95. Nice looking little punch bowl, though. There's a massive J. Hoare vase, a pattern they used to call Rookwood, but I'm not sure if there's an actual name for it or not. The quality on this is amazing. The blank is superb, great deep cutting. I don't know if you can see how deep these miters are cut. There's a swirling notched prism large ball. It's really large. And then a great, probably 9-inch diameter foot, scalloped hobstar foot. And that's only $5,500. That's a good deal on that. Three more Ray Laturnus pieces, ashtrays. One's a large 8-inch for $125, and then the two smaller 5-inch ashtrays are $45. And here we have a Vaseline green prism pattern by J. Hoare. There's a sterling base, and they are $345 each. I think I have two left. And then here is a 7-inch diameter rose bowl in a strawberry diamond and windows pattern by Dorflinger. Dorflinger was the only one that I know of that used what I call windows in some of their patterns. And that's a nice bargain at only $4.95. And our final piece is another trophy piece by Dorflinger. It's a 13-inch diameter flower center. It's in their Ramona pattern, another one of their probably best patterns. The 13-inch one is the only one that I've ever seen. Fabulous hobstar base, super thick, high-quality blank, and that monster is only $32.95. Well, thank you for viewing my videos, and I hope you guys have enjoyed the show here at the Dorflinger Factory Museum. We tend to do this every fall, usually in September, and I hope you'll join us in the future in person because, again, the Factory Museum is a treasure to be enjoyed and an integral part of our American history. Bye-bye.